guys, what's up? It's me, Laurel, and today I'm doing a slime collection. So let me take my things out, set them right here, and sorry about this lighting. I mean, it's not too shabby. It might be shabby on the video, but whatever. And today, guys, we are doing my slime collection. Sorry if you guys can hear my dogs in the background. But, yeah. So, I have, like, 3 or 4 slimes that changed their color. So, yeah. But first off, we're going to start with this big batch, Mix and Mash by Compound Kings. This was actually store-bought, but my friend gave it to me for my birthday. And, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at that bubble. Ooh. So, it has pom-poms in it. Let me try to get the whole thing. Sorry. But yeah, here's the whole thing. It has pom-poms in it. It has white, pink, purple, and red. So yeah, and sorry if you guys can also hear the people that are mowing the lawn. Very, very sorry about that. But doesn't that look like a flower? Whatevs. But guys, I have a very exciting video for you guys on Saturday. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And I also have a good one coming tomorrow. Okay, so we have this little bucket filled with my slimes. I'm going to pick a random one out. I kind of want to pick a bagged one. Okay, so this is the one I literally just made. So, yeah. It's a little bit sticky right now because I added so much foaming hand soap, but yeah. So here it is. You can just call that other one the pom-pom one, but this is called the shampoo. I didn't use any shampoo in it. I just like to call it that because I think it would kind of be a shampoo color, you know. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, whatever. I'll just put that in the bag when we're done with this. Actually, I'm just going to pick this one. This one is called my buttermilk slime. I know a lot of people have that name. Oh my, have that name for their slime, but this slime is really sticky. So yeah, I kind of can't really get it. Like, oh my gosh, sorry about that. But I can't really get it, but you kind of get it, right? It's that, or I call it the banana strawberry pie. Just comment down below whatever you want. Just comment down below what slime was your favorite and what slime was your least favorite. And make it obvious. Like, my least favorite was the buttermilk slash. We don't have to put slash. You can put whatever. But yeah, okay. So, next, I'm just going to grab them out now. But as you guys can see, it has this dark pink in it. But this one is actually overactivated, believe it or not. Oh my gosh, I'm finna scream. Okay, but yeah, this is really overactivated. But if it wasn't overactivated, it wouldn't have been so horrible and shabby. You guys should really do an instant replay of that. I'll try to put an instant replay in the video, maybe. Okay. So, now we have this gingerbread slime. I put it in bubble wrap. The only reason I do put it in bubble wrap is because if this little container ever, like, breaks or anything. So, yeah. So, this one, yeah, it's not scented anymore because it keeps it just has that kind of scent and that kind of texture and a lot of glitter in it, so it's not really the best. It usually melts, so that's why it's not one of my favorites. It used to be. Maybe guys, we can reactivate slimes. Also, if you guys want to send me slimes, you totally can. But here is this one. Oh my gosh, you can definitely tell this one did fade. Because you can see the purple and then the blue, which I think that's really, really pretty. Yeah. Ooh, this one feels good. I forgot how good it felt. This one is really glossy, and now I'm not really taking them out of the bags and things because, but maybe I will do a full-on ASMR video. Okay, guys, so if you want one of that, if you want one of those, comment down below. So, yeah. And I don't have containers, by the way, but tonight I might go and get some. So, yeah. If I sound weird or look weird, it's because I'm sick, and I usually do look weird. So, yeah. Put that one down, and then last but not least, oh my gosh, you can also tell this one definitely did fade. Because look, it's white at the top and then pink. The reason I think they all faded is probably because they were all together in the sunlight. Yeah. Okay, so I called this one my birthday cake. Oh, and that last one was literally my mermaid slime. So, oh, and the pink one is my pink icing. So, here is this, my pink Valentine's icing, or Valentine's slime. But, so, yeah, those are all my slimes. And like I said, guys, comment down below which one was your favorite and your least favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want some more of these collection videos, comment down below and I will totally do them. Bye-bye.